guys, good morning, afternoon, whatever time you're watching. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video will be very exciting, and not just the video but the whole day, because today I am celebrating my 19th birthday and I'm really thankful that I was able to celebrate. And ayan, nakakapag-film din ako today. I'm really thankful for everything, sa blessings and sa projects, and I really wanna thank you all. So ayan, I really wanted to start this video by thanking you, kasi you're part of my journey. Yes, you, ikaw na nanonood dyan. So thank you so much for supporting me and all my Ricaholics. Pero I don't want to turn this video into a message camera. So abangan nyo pa yung mga birthday vlogs ko. So let's start. I just wanna share yung necklace na suot ko. This is from Sophie. Yes, I finally found a shop na maganda yung pagkagawa ng mga personalized nila. Dahil you guys know that I'm really obsessed with my gold necklace na personalized. Ayan, na makapal yung chain. This was given to me by my lola. Yes, and first birthday gift niya yan sa akin. And matagal na to sa akin. And kahit anong gawin ko, hindi ko siya tinatanggal. Nung nakita ko to sa Sophie, talagang I fell in love with this one. And marami silang fonts. Marami silang ibang fonts. Hindi, may mga ganito rin silang fonts. So, syempre, ayoko naman na parehas. And silver na yung kinuha ko dahil meron na nga akong gold. And ayan yung itsura niya. Sobrang cute lang niya. Very minimalist. Kumuha ko ng medyo mas cursive na parang italic yung design. Am I right? Ayan. Ang cute niya. And meron na naman akong gagamitin palagi. If you're really finding a shop na maganda yung quality ng mga personalized necklace nila, then you should check out Sophie. Links are down in the description, and you can use my code RICJY15 or check it down in the description. So enough with the blabbering, and let's proceed to the makeup related video. Today's makeup look will be a Barbie baddie look, as you can see from the title above. And I'm feeling a little bit more girly than nung 18th birthday ko. Nung debut ko last year, medyo rosy vibe. Yung theme ko kasi last year is parang Kate Spade, pero red version kasi very bold yung vibe ko last year. But today, I'm feeling a little girly, so... And Y2K is really getting into my nerves, and feel ko mag-Barbie today. And I think I could really pull off that Barbie vibe. Not necessarily nakamukha ako si Barbie, hindi naman ako kasing ganda ni Barbie. Before we start, all the products that I will be sharing with you is available on Shopee. I just wanna quickly share that Shopee will be having, is having a sale already. Nag-start siya nung June 22 up to July 7. It's called Free Shipping Fiesta. So you could enjoy with a minimum spend of 0. Yes, free shipping siya, guys. I-check nyo lagi yung Shopee app nyo, and may mga groceries and everything. Lahat naman mahahanap sa Shopee. So, ayun, you should check it out and repurchase your beauty products and everything. Actually, mga ibang products dito, nakuha ko sila on sale. Ayun, ang dami ko nang dinadaldal dito. But, I have a code, syempre. Dahil ang sale ng Shopee up until July 7 pa. So, I will insert my code here or down in the description so you guys could check it out para maka-discount din kayo kahit paano. So, without further ado, paulit-ulit na. So, ayun, let's start this video. So, yan, my velcros are on. So, let's start now. As usual, magmo-moisturize lang ako ng face using this Eye White Aqua Moisturizer in Glow, yung pink favorite ko. After moisturizing my face, syempre, nagbabalik ang OG primer ko. Nag-repurchase ako neto sa Shopee. So, itong Quick Effects No Shine Mattifier. This is my ultimate fave, and ngayon ko na lang siya ulit na repurchase. For my foundation, I am using the Super Stay by Maybelline. Ayan, I'm using the shade 128 Warm Nude, and I'll be using a damp beauty blender to blend it all over my face. I'm done with my foundation, and kung nababother kayo sa lips ko, yes, may sugat siya. Hindi yan kinagat ng kung ano, ha. Paano iniisip nyo. And next, for my concealer, I'm using this Maybelline Super Stay. Ito, bagong bili ko lang to, guys. I'm in the shade Sand 20. Ayan, nakabili ko lang neto sa Shopee. And nakuha ko siya ng sale, so check nyo lang din sa Shopee app nyo ba. Malay nyo maka-discount kayo. Next, for my cream contour, I will be using this Caroline Contour Stick. Next, for my cream blush, I will not be using the Elana cream blush for now because meron akong bagong fave. This is from Squad Cosmetics. This is their multi-purpose mousse cream in the shade Bubbly. I so love this shade. I don't know why, but I'm obsessed using this on my lids, my cheeks, and sa lips. Lately, kahit nasa bahay lang talaga ako. And ang bango niya, guys. Amoy vanilla yung scent niya. Sobrang bango and ang dali niya. This is really perfect for beginners. You guys know na yung Squad Cosmetics. They sent me a whole, yung buong collection nila nito. New formula ata nila to. Ayan, lalagay ko na lang yung shades dyan para makita nyo. Alam ko yung best seller nila is yung Gleeful, but this is the darker version of the Gleeful that I think is their perfect shade. Very drunk blush yung dating niya sa akin. So I really recommend this one. And onti lang, guys, kasi it's really pigmented. Next, I will be using this Couriers Spun Loose Face Powder. I'm in the shade Naturally Neutral. Nag-shave lang ako ng onte dito sa parts na to kasi medyo maglo siya. So, i-dust off ko na ulit yung powder para hindi mo overbake. Next naman, I will be doing my brows and I will still be using my favorite. This is the AOA Wonder Brow in the shade Dark Brown. And I will do my brows off cam, guys, dahil sobrang matatagalan tayo if gagawin ko siya sa harap ng camera, so I'll be back. I'm done with my brows and now I'll be proceeding with my brow mascara. This is from Squad Cosmetics in the shade Brunette. Let's proceed with the fun part and mag-focus talaga ako. Sa itong video na to, mag-focus talaga tayo sa eyes kasi ito lang naman magpapabago nung makeup look natin. So, I will be applying this I Heart Stage na from Essence Eyeshadow Base. And, yan, nalagay ko lang. Basta two colors lang, pink and blue since yun yung theme ng birthday ko. So, I'll be using a lot of palette dahil mag-experiment ako. Hindi ako nagplano kung ano ba. So, ayan, let's go. Ito na lang muna yung Atom Eyeshadow Palette since this is my trusted palette pagdating sa mga base colors or mga transition shade. I'll be using that Aster shade. Aray ko, at-flowing ako. I'll be using that Amber shade just to start off and sa outer part here. Using this colorful eyeshadow palette na I don't know kung saan ko ulit ito nakuha. Pero, tada! I don't know kung aling pink dyan. Ima-match ko na lang siguro itong... I'll use this kind of pink, yung nasa dulo. Parang magenta na yung pagka-color niya. And then, I added a little pop of purple. For the darker shade, maybe I'll go for the brown shade. I'll be using the shade Juliet and Shaded from Berry BYS Eyeshadow Palette. I-mix ko na lang yung two para hindi pa rin mawala yung pink tones. Now, I will be cutting the crease. I think, ayan, medyo satisfied na ako. Para lalagyan ko ng blue na glitter. I'll be cutting the crease using the same eyeshadow base from Essence. And gagamitin ko yung favorite ko pa rin. Syempre, yung metallics ng detail makeover, and imimix ko yung Electra and yung Vega together just to get that teal effect kasi ito parang medyo green na siya. So, imimix ko tong dalawang shade na to. Ayan, and yan. Tada! I'm so happy with the eyeshadow. And now for the eyeliner. Hopefully, hindi masira. I will be proceeding with curling my lashes and putting on mascara. Ang mascara na gagamitin ko is Total Temptation. So, ayan. For my eyelashes, I will be using these Falsies, this 3D Mink Hair. Ayan, madami na akong ganito. Nag-purchase na ako ulit. Links are down in the description. And this is yung A4. And by the way, meron akong na-discover na magandang eyelash adhesive. This is the Murray Beauty Eye Glue. Sobrang ganda nito, guys. And talagang matibay yung pag-hold ng lashes mo sa eyes mo. And hindi siya masakit pag tinatanggal mo. And now, let's proceed to the rest of my face dahil sobrang tagal ko na dito, guys. And I'll be using this contour brush. And for my contour, I will be using this Kind Beauty na contour brush nila. I'll be using this shade from Detail Makeover Contour and Blush Palette 4-in-1. For my blush, I will be using the Squad Cheek to Cheek Duo Blush Plus Highlighter. I'm using the shade BYAD. I think this is their limited edition and this is for 88 pesos lang, guys. Sobrang ganda ng shade. Tignan nyo. Hindi ko mabuksan. Ayan. Ito yung pair. Ayan. Ito yung BYAD. Pero mas gusto ko yung parang medyo drunk blush yung color. Tignan natin kung kumapit agad siya sa brush. Mukhang hindi siya powdery. Ang ganda, oh. Kahit anong ganun ko, walang powder. Tignan natin. Ito na naman tayo sa paputukan ng blush. Now, for my highlighter, I will be using this Blight Stardust palette, yung champagne color nila. As well as yung Wet n Wild na Precious Petals. Imimix ko tong dalawa. Tinry ko yung LTD liquid lipstick ng Advance, kaya lang parang medyo okay nga. So, I'll stick to my favorite. This is the Girl Crush by Sunny's Face, and I will be lining my lips using this Vice Cosmetics in the shade Voulez-Vous. Ayun. Mas gusto ko to, mas subtle lang siya for me. And now for the last part, and I'll be proceeding sa hair. Dahil si Barbie naka-ponytail palagi, so magpo-ponytail ako. And for the last part, I'll be using this All Day Tight Makeup Setting Fix by So Natural. Sobrang pino nung ano niya. Sobrang pino niya, guys. Tignan nyo. Diba? So, ayun. Medyo pricey lang siya, but it's really, really worth it. Ayan. Patuyuin ko lang. I'm really, really excited to show you guys yung Barbie birthday na hinanda ko. And wag kayong mag-alala, guys, hindi naman ako nag-invite ng madami dahil syempre meron pa rin, nasa kalagitnaan pa rin tayo ng pandemic. So, yung in-invite ko lang syempre yung mga family lang, cousins. Madami kaming cousins, so hindi ko na kailangan mag-invite ng madami kasi madami na kaming magpipinsan. So, ayan, abangan nyo na lang yung susunod na vlog ko na i-upload ko dahil for sure, yung mga Y2K babies dyan, Barbie, everything. Stay tuned. So, ayun, gagawin ko na yung hair ko. Maglalagay lang ako ng Victress. Ito ang best friend ko pag gumagawa ko ng mga hairstyles. Hatiin ko lang dahil may hati yung hair ni Barbie. Dito sa side na to. Then, hatiin nyo lang guys dito. Ayan, makikita nyo mga hati. Sabi ko sa inyo, mahahati nyo yan pag mahaba yung kuko nyo. So, etong part ng hair na to, i-clip nyo lang muna. The usual, ipo-ponytail mo lang yung hair mo. The normal ponytail lang. And then, mas maganda mas mataas kasi yun yung vibe ni Barbie. Ayan, makikita nyo yung hinati nyo. Ayan, pero be mindful pa rin na hindi mawawala yung hati dito sa side. Ayan. And then, this area, ko-comb nyo muna siya. Kapagod, beshi. Okay. I-hairpin nyo muna siya. So, dapat marami kayong bobby pin. So, if na-secure na ng bobby pin, strand ng hair na to, ipapalupot nyo siya dun sa pony para magmumukhang hair. And then, isi-secure nyo lang din ng bobby pin. Hairspray. But first, you have to comb. Ito, gamit ako ng ganitong brush. Ayan. Pang makeup to guys, alam ko. Ito, yung ganitong, ano ba tawag dito? Ayan. Yung ganitong side na to, yun yung ipang mabrush nyo ng ganyan para magmumukha siyang very sleek. Ayan yung ginagawa ko sa hair ko. Ayan. And then, kung ano man yung mag-crumple up, don't worry, just put a bobby pin. Now, I'm done with my hair. Ayan, nakita nyo. Tinago ko na lang yung mga chismis sa likod ng buhok ko, para hindi na makikita yan. Itong plancha na lang yung gagamitin ko. Hi! Finally, I'm done. Nagluha na ako dahil matagal akong nakaganon. Pero ayan, na-curl ko na siya. Mas okay to sa akin. Then, for the fun part, magmamontage ako sa inyo guys. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoy the montage, and I'll see you on my next one.